Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today I'm going to show you how to do observation, especially during a driving test. If you don't do good observation, you get less mark for your driving test. And your testing officer will look you're doing the observation before approaching the roundabout, intersection or any blind spot. So make sure you need to do good observation during your driving test. Also, so example, you approaching to the roundabout or intersection, make sure you slow down before you approaching and look at around and then you move. Plus you need to check your mirrors, your central mirror, your side mirrors. So example, if you're on the double lanes, if you're on the left lane side, make sure you frequently check central mirror and your right mirror. Same if you're on the right lane, make sure you check your center mirror and your left mirror. And whenever you need to do the lane change, make sure before you moving to other lane after your mirror check, you must need to do shoulder check or head check. So also when you do driving test, you check your mirror. Also make sure you looking your speedometer, because most of learners they get failed their driving test because of overspeed or low speed. So checking mirror, check surround area, plus checking your speedometer. So let's do some practical. So I'm going to move. So I'm standing on the road. So I give signal right, change the gas, and I'm gonna move. But I can see there's a car behind me. So I'll check center mirror. So when his car move, after that, check, shoulder check. No one there, then I move. So make sure you do good observation whenever you're moving from stationary position approaching to the roundabout like this. So now end of the road, I'm going to turn right. So the road is ending, I need to turn right. So the first thing, signal right after your mirror, and this is the give way. Before you stopping, just check around, no one coming, so just slow down and you move. So check early, do good observation on, especially on the give way sign. If you do good observation on give way sign, so you don't have to stop every time. So next street I'm going to turn right. So center mirror, signal right, checking in front no one is coming, then turn right. So this type of car on park, make sure you give at least one door gap, and when you finish, then you come back to your side. Now at the main road, I'm going to turn left into the left lane. There are two lanes, so signal left after the mirror, positioning to the left side, checking mirror, checking cars, no one there on my right lane, so I'm on turning left into the left lane. So now I do the lane changes. Center mirror, signal, check, car is very far, safe distance, so I can move safely. Now again moving to the left lane, center mirror, left mirror, head check, there is no car, that's it. So make sure you must need to do head check when you do lane changes. After your mirror done, make sure you do your head check. It is very important. So traffic light, this is observation. I can see there is yellow light and turning to the red light, and I'm very far, so I must need to stop. So you start to slow down like this. So now when on the traffic light, keep an eye on the traffic signal. So green light, now I'm moving. So now I'm on the left side lane. I'm checking center mirror plus right mirror. So during your driving test, especially for the lane changes, if you're on the left lane, because your testing officer can ask anytime, so make sure you keep looking, so you already know the traffic. So when they ask you to do lane changes, you're already aware of the traffic, and it is good advantage for you to do the lane changes if you already know traffic's around you. So make sure do good observation during a driving test, do head checks and signals. And for more useful video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now. Thank you.